Want to pull a summary of sales from multiple Excel sheets? And keep it clean in a single table summary by dissecting even by channel dimension, for example? Here's a great way to do that using indirect and sum function. I've got 4 sheets, each named quarter 1 to quarter 4, and each has sales data for the 1 year. In this summary sheet, I have listed the quarters. I have done the online category summary. Let's do the on-store category summary together using indirect and sum function. Here is the formula I will be demonstrating so that you can follow along easily. I'll start with equals sum if this lets me sum values based on a condition. Now, the tricky part, I want to pull data from the sheet name that's written in cell G12. So I use indirect function using the cell references and the operators. That means, go look in the sheet name found in G12 and get the values from column C, rows 2 to 16. Then comes the condition part, the range I want to check for on-store. So I type indirect using the cell references and the operators, and that points to column B in the same dynamic sheet which contains the sales channel. Finally, I enter on-store as the criteria. In the same manner, we can do the total revenue summary. To do that, just drag the formula and correct the cell reference. Super useful if you're working with multiple sheets and want to change the summary just by changing one cell. This is tip number 22 from the 500+ Excel tips and tricks in the channel. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more smart Excel tips. Thanks for watching.